This is our new chapter limits. Actually, this is class 11th. We teach this topic in class 11th, but PW wants faculty to teach this topic in class 12th. Okay, so we'll be learning about this topic here. First of all, limits. I'm going to give you some understanding of 0 plus, what is this plus means. Then I will come to limits. Okay, na? So see, I'm going to take one number. Let's say that is 2. Okay, so if I say which is the nearest number from right side to 2, we cannot say that. You will say at 2.0000000000000. How many times 0 we have to put, we don't know. Okay, na? Come here. How many times we have to put 0? That we don't know. Come this side. So that number, the nearest number from right side in mathematics, we represent with this plus sign. It means there is no number between both. Okay? And the number which is nearest to 2 from left side, that we represent 2 minus. It means if we are imagining 2 like 2, so how will imagine 2 plus? That will be 2.00000000000. Okay, and 2 minus means 1.99999999999. Now, this you can consider if you are giving this x, if you are naming this number x, you will write x is equals to 2. Okay. But if you are naming this number x, so you cannot write x is equals to 2 plus, because 2 plus is still unknown, not known. 2 plus is unknown. Like 2 plus means 2.000000000. How many times 0 we have to put, that is unknown. Okay, na? It means this number is unknown. So how we write this? We write x tends to 2. X is moving towards 2. It is not going away from 2. It is moving towards 2. Okay. So x tends to 2, and this is also number 2 minus. This also we write x tends to 2. Means this number is also moving towards 2. It is not going away from 2. Like if I am writing 1.9, again I write 9. So 1.9 and 1.9, tell me which is more towards 2? 1.99. Yes or no? If I add one more 9, now tell me it is moving more towards 2. Yes or no? If I put 9, again it is more close to 2. Again if I put 9, more close to 2. So when I am putting 9999999999, what it means? It is moving towards 2, but it will never reach at 2. Okay, na? Now tell me 2.01 and 2.001, which is towards 2? Which is more towards 2? 2.01 or 2.001? 2.001. So if I write now 2.00001, now tell me out of this 3 number, which is more towards 2? So if I will increase this 0, counting of 0, it means that number is more towards 2. So if I write here 2.000000000, don't you think this is exactly looking, not exactly, it is looking like 2 only. Infinite times we have to write 0, and that we don't know what is infinite, how many times till we have to write, and last you have to put 1. So tell me out of this all 3 number, which is more towards 0? This one is more towards 0. It means if we are increasing counting of 0, that number is going more towards 2. Yes, na? So that's why we write x tending towards 2, means x is a number which is moving towards 2, but it will never reach at 2. That's why we cannot put equals to sign. Equals to means exactness. Here exactness we don't know. 1.999999999. their exact times we don't know how many times I have to write 9 and again. So you remember? Now, this both things are there. Now here I am going to introduce limit. These two limit will exist and this two limit will not exist because this is exactness we know. Okay, so also we can say x is approaching towards 2. X is a number which is moving towards 2. Okay, now x tends to 2. So all these 3 points, all these 3 English we can use to explain this. X is tending to 2. X is approaching to 2. X is a number which is moving towards 2. Okay, na? So suppose this is a number 2 and I am standing here. So what I am doing? I am moving towards 2. Okay? I am tending to 2. Okay, but I will never reach there. That is thing is there. Okay, so how to write those all things with help of limit? Now that I am going to tell you. These two things we have to write with help of limit. Why I am using limit? Limit we are using because for this expression there is one limit. Till that point only you can reach. You cannot go to 2. Yes or no? This 1.2.0000000000000 whatever we are writing will not go to 2. This number will never become exact 2. Yes, na? So there is some limit for this number and there is some limit for this number also. Okay, so write limit x tends to 2. Okay, so when these things are written, it doesn't mean very yes and this you cannot understand. This is a very simple explanation. Limit means you can understand. Na? X tends to 2 I am writing. So to explain this I am writing limit. There is no other meaning of limit. X tends to 2. In this total expression, there is only meaning of x tends to 2. That limit means that is limit chapter calculation you have to do. Whatever calculation formula I will tell you here, that formula you have to use here. This limit will give you hint at. And what is x? X tending to 2. So x tends to 2. This has two meaning. 1.999999 also and 2.00000000000 also. So x tends to 2 doesn't mean only one. X tends to 2 means two values. What is that? X is equals to 2 minus and x also 2 plus. Both. Okay. So this both. So I think this is explanation of that. Now 2 plus. So can you tell me if 5 is a number, which is the nearest number on left hand side? 5 minus. Which is the nearest number on right hand side? 5 plus. Okay. Now tell me, 0 is the number. Which number is nearest on right hand side? 0 plus. And which number is nearest on left hand side? 0 minus. Minus. Now here, one thing here about 0, 0 plus and 0 minus you have to remember. This 0 plus is positive number. 0 plus is positive number. And 0 minus is negative number. 0 minus means less than 0. Less than 0 is negative, na? Yes or no? And 0 plus means greater than 0. Greater than 0 is positive or not? So that's why here sometimes a student will get confused. This. Okay? Acha, now 0 plus is that side. 0 minus is this side. Okay. Now see this work for some other number. So this is our 0. I am writing that side number 2. I am writing this side. The negative of this number will be minus 2. Don't you think both are negative of each other? It means 0 minus and 0 plus are negative of each other. So this number minus 2, if you multiply minus, that will become plus 2 or not? Yes, na? Same way. If minus I will multiply to 0 minus, that will become 0 plus. So this information about 0 plus 0 minus I have given you separately. A lot of information, this type of information I will give you for in calculation topic. Okay, so write it down. Again, still understanding of 0 plus is left. I will come to 0 plus, understanding of 0 plus. Varsa, superstar, okay na? Ankush. Arey Hemant, I saw you were riding bike. You came with bike ना? ये बाइक चला के आ रहा था मैं. मुझे बाइक से आई डोंट नो हाउ टू राइड बाइक एंड यू नो. क्या हुआ? हाँ? Okay, done na? Now I am going to give you introduction about 0 plus. See, 0 plus. Suppose I am writing 0 plus here. Okay. And again I am writing one more 0 plus here in limits chapter. Okay. And if I write one more 0 plus and I ask you, I am not asking you, I am telling you, all three 0 plus are not same. All three 0 plus are not same. But if I write 2, 2, 2, I will say all three 2 are same. This is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus. Okay, na? All three 0 plus are not same. But now question is, sir, why you are saying like that? So see this. These all 0 plus are same or not. We need to find from where this 0 plus is generated. From where this 0 plus is generated. If all three 0 plus generated from same expression, then all three 0 plus will be same. And if this 0 plus, this 0 plus, this 0 plus is generated from three different expression, then all three 0 plus will be different. What is meaning of that? Now see here. First, let me take one expression. Let me take one expression x. Let me take one expression x square. Okay? And let me take one more expression. No, 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 no. Let me take one more expression, that is, okay, so here x, I am writing x square and I am writing sin x. Okay na? Now this expression and all three expression, I am going to give input 0 plus. Input 0 plus I am going to give. So input all three 0 plus are same. Input all three 0 plus are same. Now I want to take the output. So sine 0 is 0, sine 0 plus will be 0 plus. Here output will get 0 plus. Okay. X input is 0 plus. It means x is 0 plus. 0 plus is square, 0 plus. This output is also 0 plus. Now here, if we give x input 0 plus, what will be output? 0 plus. Like if I are giving input 2, output will be 2. 3, output will be 3. Here if I give input 2, 2a square will be 4. 3, 3a square will be 9. So if I am giving input 0 plus a square, again it will become very small number. And that a small number again I have to represent with 0 plus. So two very big number we represent with infinity sign. But both infinity are not same. One number is there in my head. It's very big. I am considering it that is very big. And one number is in head of Hemant. He's also thinking very big number. I am also thinking very big number. So both number I will represent with infinity. But do you think both number are same? Maybe he's thinking different big number. I am thinking some different big number. But representation are same. So these all output are very small number. But the representation is same. Here also we are saying 0 plus, here also we are saying 0 plus, here also we are saying 0 plus. But actually when you see all three 0 plus are not same. Because this 0 plus is exactly same 0 plus which I gave here. I will give 2, exactly 2 it will give. I will give 1, exactly 1 I will give. Exactly 3 I will give, 3 I will give. So whatever number I will give input here, same number it will give output. But when you see here, when I am giving 0 plus here, 0 plus a square is again becoming a small number, and that a small number again I have to represent with 0 plus only. So this 0 plus and this 0 plus are not same here. And again, same story of this. It means all three 0 plus is looking same, but all three 0 plus are not same. So suppose I say this 0 plus by this 0 plus. You cannot cut and you cannot say, sir, that is 1. For this purpose, I am teaching you this all calculation. You can cut 0 plus only when both 0 plus are same. Yes, na? Only when both 0 plus are same. But if this 0 plus is generating from x square and this 0 plus is generating from x, so you cannot cut and you cannot say, sir, 0 plus both are same, na cut and it will become 1. That calculation we cannot do in limits chapter. For that, to avoid this calculation only, I have told you, if two 0 plus are there in numerator denominator, you want to cut, then you need to check whether both 0 plus are same or not. If both 0 plus are same, we can cut. And if both 0 plus are not same, we cannot cut. Understood? Okay, na? So, write down these all things. I will tell you some statement that you can write. Okay? Okay, na? So, all 0 plus are not same. It depends, write down, it depends on function from which, it depends on function from which 0 plus has generated. Okay? It depends. Whether two 0 plus will be same or not, it depends from which function that 0 plus is generated. Suppose I am writing here limit x tends to 2, x minus 2. Okay, na? Okay. Now see this. Do you remember, na? X tends to 2 has two meaning. x is 2 plus also, x is 2 minus also. Okay. Or simply you can remove this part. I will remove this limit part. Suppose here I am writing, acha theek hai, okay. Limit x tends to, I am writing 2 plus. Means x value is 2 plus there. And here I am writing the same thing here. Limit x tends to 2 plus. And that I am writing x minus 2. I am asking, tell me, what will be this value? 2 plus minus 2. Do you remember what is 2 plus? 2.0000000000001 minus 2. What it will become? 0.00000000000 and that will become 0 plus. Yes or no? Yes, na? Now again same here. 2 plus minus 2. Again this will give 0 plus. Now tell me whether both 0 plus are same or not. Both 0 plus are same. Why? Because their function is same. Both are generating from same function. Okay, na? Both are generating from same function. Now here if I write one more, limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4, x tends to 2 plus. So 2 plus a square, what it will become? 4 plus, not 4. 2 a square is 4. 2 plus a square is 4 plus 2.0000001. A square will be 4.0000001. So 4 plus minus 4. 4 plus minus 4 will be 0 plus. Now tell me, this both 0 plus are same? No. This is generating from some other function. This 0 plus is generating from some other function. This 0 plus, this both 0 plus will be same. Why? Because both 0 plus is generating from same function. But this is generating from, this 0 plus is generating from different function than that. That's why all 0 plus are not same. Yes, na? Now, suppose I am asking you divide both 0 plus and tell me what we'll get. Let's divide. Okay. So if I will divide this 0 plus with this 0 plus, do you think what we'll get? What we'll get? No, we cannot cancel that because both 0 plus are different. We cannot cancel that. It means this 0 plus is number which we don't know. Yes or no? That is correct or not? You know that number? No. Do you know this number? No. It means two unknown number I have to divide and I have to find the answer. See, I am going to find the answer. Both number we don't know, but I can find the answer. चलिए शुरू करें. This is what limit chapter provides this facility to the mathematicians. Both number we don't know. How much small this 0 plus is, how much small that number is, we don't know. But their ratio we can find. Okay, ratio we can find. Now let's see. I'm going to find it. So it means this 0 plus and that 0 plus if I have to divide, simply what I am going to write, I am going to write limit x tends to 2. I want to divide this 0 plus by that 0 plus. So I will write this expression first. X square minus 4 upon x minus 2. Tell me, if I will put 2 plus here, let's say 2 plus here I will put 2 plus square minus 2 plus square, 4 plus, 4 plus minus 4, 0 plus. Tell me, this is that 0 plus or not? And if I will put 2 plus here, 2 plus minus 2, 0 plus. Tell me, that is that 0 plus or not? It means automatically we are getting that 0 plus or not? Now the question is, how we'll do the calculation? So at starting, when our expression, I found this is 0 plus and that is 0 plus, that 0 plus upon that 0 plus, that direct we cannot find. But from the expression it is generated, and from the expression it is generated, if we divide both expression, then we can find what is that 0 plus by that 0 plus. Now let's see how I am going to do. I will write this again, limit, one step this will happen. So limit x tends to 2 plus. Okay. Can I write x square minus 4 as x minus 2 into x plus 2 upon x minus 2. Now can I put 2 plus here? So 2 plus minus 2. 0 plus. 2 plus minus 2. Tell me here both 0 plus are same or not? So this 0 plus and this 0 plus will get cancelled. Okay. And 2 plus plus 2. 4 plus 2 plus plus 2. 2.000000001 plus 2 will be 4.00001 and that will become 4 plus. We got the answer. It means that 0 plus upon that 0 plus were 4 plus. Now, again, what we can know from here? We can say, suppose I am writing 6 by 2 is equals to 3. This division. 6 by 2 is equals to 3. What is meaning? This 6 is 3 times greater than 2. 6 is 3 times greater than 2. It means 2 is this much. Then what will be 6? 3 part. 1 part this, again 1 part that, and again 1 part that. Yes, na? So if this part is representing 2, what will represent 6? This, and this. 3 times of that. Yes or no? Now understand here. This 0 plus by this 0 plus is 4 plus. What does it mean? This 0 plus is 4 times greater than this 0 plus. It means if this 0 plus is representing this space, then that 0 plus will represent 4 times of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, na? Understood, na? So that is total meaning. It means limit is providing one facility to divide worlds to a smallest number, whatever smallest number you can imagine. That smallest number you can divide to a smallest number you can divide. But you can never know what were those to a small number. You can never find what is this 2 number, but you can find if you divide both number, what we'll get. Okay, so this 0 plus is 4 times greater than this 0 plus. It means whatever 0 plus you got here and whatever 0 plus you got here, this 0 plus were 4 times greater than that 0 plus. That's why we are getting 4 plus. Okay, so write it down. See, first here, infinity and infinity square. Okay, na? Suppose again, 2 infinity are not same. 2 infinity are not same. If I am asking there is 1 infinity, there is 1 infinity, tell me both are same or not, then you will ask me, sir, first of all, tell me the function from which it is generated. If both function are same, then both infinity are same. Both function are different, both infinity will be different. Okay, so first of all here, I am going to give you one understanding about infinity and infinity square. See this. Infinity and infinity square. Both are, I am writing simple infinity. Okay, and I am writing infinity square. Infinity square also we write infinity only. But I ask you, tell me both infinity are same? No, both infinity are not same. Okay. Kavya, come here. Come here, see your face. Come here. Every day same situation. Same situation every day. Come here. See this. This infinity square. This infinity square, you can write infinity into infinity. Infinity into infinity and simple infinity. What is difference between both? See this. Suppose I am writing one number 2 and I am writing 2 into 2, or I am writing 9, I am writing 9 into 9. Understanding is same. So if I say, see this 9, simple you will say, sir, this is 9. But when you see this number, what you will say? This number is 9 times greater than the number over here. So if I write a number 3 and I write 3 into 6, so how you will compare both number? You will say, sir, this number is 6 times greater than this number, because in this number I am multiplying 6. It means infinity into infinity. What is understanding of infinity into infinity? Whatever this infinity is, this is actually infinity only. Whatever this infinity is infinite times bigger than this infinity. It means this infinity is like one molecule in front of this infinity, not molecule, very 0 plus in plus of that infinity. This infinity is very small in front of that infinity. Why? Because this infinity is infinite times greater than that infinity. So this is infinite into infinite. Yes, na? So when someone asks, tell me this infinity and 2 infinity are same or not, when you need to say, sir, from which function they have generated. When I will know that function, then only I will say whether both are same or not. It means this infinity is greater than that infinity, yes or no? Yes, na? Okay. So write down, very one simple thing you will write. Infinity square tends to infinity means, what is meaning of this whole calculation? Infinity square is infinite times greater than infinity. Okay, they are giving exam of continuity and differentiability. Only this topic. After that, you can solve whole NCERT. Now, calculation of limits. It's very simple calculation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Only that much. Not more than that. A squaring, like that. So, first of all, you tell me, if there is one number 1, I am adding 0 plus with 1. What it will become? 1 plus. Yes, na? And if there is one number 1, I am subtracting 0 plus. What it will become? 1 minus. Yes, na? And if there is one number 1, I am adding 0 minus. What it will become? 1 minus it will become, because this 0 minus is negative. So that 1 will get subtract. 1 will become less. 1 minus. And if 1, I am subtracting 0 minus, what will get? 1 plus. So these are the small calculations that you have to remember in this chapter. Next, if I am saying 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus. Okay, na? Like that. Second, as I already told you, 0 plus and minus times 0 minus both will be equal. So when I am writing equal, don't argue, sir, we don't know that number, we don't know that number, why you are writing equal? Equal means I am simply comparing both are same or not. Okay, na? So at any place where it is written minus 0 minus, you can remove that and you can write 0 plus at place of that. Okay, next. Suppose I am saying 2 plus minus 2. What will be this? 0 plus. And I am saying 2 plus minus 1. What will be this? 1 plus. Okay? No doubt. Huh? So suppose I am saying here, next, 2 plus into 3 plus. What you will write? 6 plus equals to sign. I am writing equals to sign. Huh? If someone is telling you equals to sign is not there, that arrow sign will be there. You will say, yes, sir has informed me that arrow sign is there. But if I write equals to, you will understand more. Okay, instead you will not get anything wrong. That will be correct only. Yes, na? If I write 2 plus into minus 3 plus, minus 3 plus, what will get? Minus 6 plus we will get. Acha, can you tell me what is meaning of, what is imagination of 2 plus? First tell me what is imagination of 3 plus. 3 plus imagination. If I am telling you how you represent 3 with number 3.000000001. If I say how will represent 3 minus with help of number 2.999999 with numbers. Yes or no? Now, if I change my question, how will represent minus 3 plus? No, minus 2.99999999. Yes, na? This is minus 3 from your side. Minus 3. So that side, what it will be? That is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So that side number is between minus 3 to minus 2. That will be minus 2.999999. And minus 3 minus will be, this side it is, magnitude is increasing na this side. Only sign is different. So this side will be minus 3.000000001. So you can write one more understanding here, sir. Minus 3 plus will be minus 2.999999. And if I write minus 3 minus, that will be minus 3.0000000. Okay? Yes, na? Some other calculation. This will become minus. First of all, this is negative number, that is positive number, sign will be negative. Yes or no? Now forget that negative. That is minus 2.99 into 2. Minus 4.999999. Minus 4.999. Correct, na? Or minus 5 point, sorry, minus 5.999. So that will be minus 6 plus. Minus 6 plus. Okay? No problem? ठीक है ना? अच्छा फिर. Now, see, someone ask you, infinity plus infinity. Infinity. And if someone asks you infinity minus infinity, we cannot say anything. Maybe infinity minus infinity is 2. Suppose some number is there in my head. I am considering that infinity. And you are also considering the one number. That is infinity. Possibilities are there, na? Your infinity is 2 greater than my infinity. Like I am considering one number 5. You are considering 7. So that 7 I can say, na, 5 plus 2. So if I have number infinity in my head and you have also a number infinity in your head, possibilities are there, na? Your infinity is only 2 greater than my infinity. 3 also, 4 also. That's why I'm putting question mark. Na? I'm not saying 2. I'm putting question mark that we cannot say infinity minus infinity is infinity. So whenever someone is asking infinity minus infinity, don't say that is infinity. Infinity minus infinity is not infinity. Infinity plus infinity is infinity. No, not 0, because we don't know whether both infinity are same or not. If both infinity are same, then only both infinity minus will be 0. Already I told you at the starting, 2 infinity are same or not. How we'll know? We'll check from which function that is generated. Okay? So we don't know actually this infinity is generated from which function, that infinity is generated from which function. We don't know. ठीक है? चलिए फिर infinity square, you know ना? Infinity into infinity, which is also again infinity. Okay? Now, say this. Any positive number, this you have to remember. Any positive number divided by 0 plus infinity. Any negative number divided by 0 plus minus infinity. Any positive number divided by 0 plus plus infinity. Any positive number divided by 0 minus infinity. So you learned something like this in your 10th class, 2 by 0 infinity. No, this calculation was wrong. Actually that 0 plus they wanted to say is 2 divided by 0 plus, that will be infinity. So what will be that 2 by exact 0? Not defined. But 2 by 0 plus infinity. 2 by 0 not defined. That is totally wrong thinking. You cannot think about 2 upon 0 plus in mathematics. That is beyond our imagination. But 2 upon 0 plus is infinity. Same thing I am saying. Any positive number, here positive number is 2. 2 by 0 plus, that will be infinity, and negative number by 0 plus will be minus infinity. Okay na? Same thing. हटा दो इसे, नहीं हटाना नहीं है. Here positive number, if we divide by 0 minus infinity. Okay, yes na? And negative number I multiplied by 0 minus, that will be plus infinity, because negative number is already negative and 0 minus is already negative. Negative by negative will become positive. Okay Vishnu Priya? Yes na? Two more calculation. Say this. Four more calculation. After that calculation part done. Delete कर दो. Write down. Okay. Now, acha, you can. There is no back option also. Say this. Last calculation. If you have any positive number and you are dividing it with plus infinity, that number will go towards 0 plus. Negative number, if you are multiplying by plus infinity, that number will go towards 0 minus. Just you think, only sign change is required. Positive number, if you are multiplying with minus infinity, where it will go? 0 minus. And again, negative number you are multiplying with minus infinity, where it will go? 0 plus. It means if someone is asking you question limit x tends to 0 plus 2 by, not x tends to 0 plus, x tends to infinity 2 by x, where this is greatest integer function and someone is asking you solve. This is the question. Question is limit x tends to infinity and this is greatest integer. Do you remember what is greatest integer of 2.1? Suppose one number is 2.1. What is greatest integer of 2.1? 2. Remember na? And if you know, then see, you are seeing this question na, you will, most of the student will be thinking, sir, it is looking abnormal, but you don't have to think like that. Simple, if you know this thing, then that question you can do. Okay, now see this. What is x? X is infinity. It means this x is infinity. 2 by infinity. 2 by infinity. What is 2? positive number. Where is that calculation? Positive number. Positive number by infinity. What it will come? 0 plus. So suppose this is not there, this bracket is not there, answer will be 0 plus. Okay na? And if I put greatest integer over there, so what is actually it is representing 0.000000001. Now tell me what is greatest integer of that? 0. And what is this 0? This is exact 0. Exact 0. This 0 is not 0.00000. This is exact 0 we are getting. Okay? Write down. But if that bracket is not there, answer will be 0 plus. Because of bracket, answer is exact 0. Say. Side. Side. अरे नहीं आ रहा. We can write some more calculation. What are those calculation? Infinity raised to infinity, you will write infinity. 0 raised to infinity, you will write 0, exact 0. This is actually exact 0. So you can write exact 0, you can write with help of 0. Now say this. Exact 1 is there, exact 1. Exact 1 raised to infinity will be 1. But when you're writing 2 raised to infinity, that will be infinity. It means a raised to infinity will be infinity. What is condition for this? A is greater than 1. What is condition for this? A is greater than 1. And a raised to infinity will be 0, means 0 plus you can say, when a is less than, when a is lying between 0 to 1. When a is lying between 0 to 1. A is less than 1, greater than 0. So if someone is asking this, limit x tends to infinity, 1 by 2 raised to x, what will be the answer? So see this. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the number between 0 to 1. So any number between 0 to 1, if its degree is infinity, that will be 0 plus. So answer will be 0 plus. Okay? Yes. Infinity raised to 0. Infinity raised to exact 0. See, when I am writing exact 0 means exact 0 is not 0 plus. That will be 1, not tends to 1, equals to 1. Infinity raised to exact 0 is 1. Okay? So calculation on limits over. हटा दे. Delete ना. Write down left hand limit and right hand limit. That time I wrote one question, limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 upon x minus 2, x tends to limit x tends to 2 plus, and I'm writing this part. So do you remember 2 plus? 2 plus is right side of 2. It means this will say right hand limit. Now suppose, acha, you forget this line what I said. If you understood, okay. If not understood, let's understand in some different way. First of all, here I am going to remove 2 plus here. When there is 2 plus, it means that is 2 plus only. But when I am saying x tends to 2, it means x is 2 plus also, x is 2 minus also. X is 2 plus also, x is 2 minus also. So, because x has two different value, so this question will break into two parts. First, I will solve when x value is 2 minus, then I will solve x value is 2 plus. Both I will solve separately. Okay? Yes. I am going to solve limit x tends to 2 minus. So when I am solving x tends, because I told you na x tends to 2 has both meaning 1.99999 also, 2.000001 also. Okay na? Suppose you are here. Someone is coming from this side, someone is coming from this side. Tell me, both trying to approach you or not? So when I am saying there is a number which is approaching towards 2, it means one number is approaching from left side also, one number is approaching from right side also. Okay na? So from here left hand and right hand limit concept arises. So x tends to 2 minus means 2 minus is a number which is approaching towards 2 from left side. And that's why we say left hand limit. And I will do the same calculation for limit x tends to 2 plus, and that will become right hand limit. It means if you understand this calculation, whole limit chapter, whole continuity chapter, whole differentiability chapter, you will see simple magic. Limit, continuity, differentiability of NCERT is not as tough as our JEE. Simple addition, subtraction is there. Okay na? Now I am going to solve this. Limit, I have written limit x tends to 2 minus, and I will write x square minus 4 as x minus 2 into x plus 2 upon x minus 2. Now I am going to put 2 minus. Tell me, 2 minus minus 2. 0 minus. 2 minus is 1.99999. So 1.9999999 minus 2 will be minus 0.00001, and minus 0.0001 will be 0 minus. And same 0 minus will be this. 2 minus minus 2. 0 minus. Tell me, both 0 minus are same or not? Why? Because both 0 minus is getting generated from same function. So this both will get cancelled. Now it is simply left with limit x tends to 2 minus, and that will become x plus 2 because that is already got cancelled. And 2 minus, when I will put at place of x, 2 minus plus 2, 4 minus, it means 3.999999999. But now here, whenever you are answer getting 4 minus, you have to write answer 4. In answer 4 minus, you will write answer as 4. Okay? Calculation you will show till here, 4 minus I got. But when it's time to write answer, we'll write 4. It means in answer, every time you have to write answer 4 minus with 4 and 4 plus with 4. Okay na? So here you can write in answer part, 4 minus and 4 plus, both we change 4 and write answer as 4. We don't write 4 minus as an answer. In option, they will not give you 4 minus or 4 plus as an answer. You simply write 4. Okay. Now here I will do same thing. X minus 2 into x plus 2 upon x minus 2, again 0 plus same. That will become limit x tends to 2 plus, that will become 2 plus plus 2, and that will become 4 plus, which means 4 only. Now see this. Can you see this? Left hand limit and right hand limit both are same. This is also 4, that is also 4. In answer, both are same. Yes or no? Here we got answer in left hand limit 4. Right hand limit we got 4. Both are same. Then we say limit exist. Limit exist, and there will then total answer of this will be 4. But if that you are getting 4, this you are getting 3, limit will not exist. And answer will not, nothing will be there. You will simply, option will be limit does not exist. You have to tick that point. Okay. Now let's see. 5 minutes is there. One small question. After that, we'll see when. Write down.